Whose are these?
It's yours.
Let me out.
What's good, ET fam? It's your boy Eric, and I'm back with another vlog for you guys today. Before I even get into this video, I need you guys to like, comment, subscribe, and join the ET fam. We would love to have you. We growing every day. And join the family, man. If you're not joining our family, man, what are you doing? Why are you watching this video? But with further ado, I'm gonna get right into this video. So I already did everything I needed to do for this video. So as you can tell by that thumbnail, I will be basically hiding another girl's thong in my glove department. So what I thought what I'm gonna do is basically today we gotta run some errands anyway. We gotta go to the grocery store. And Tasia right now, she's actually running errands. She's getting some stuff for her mom because, you know, tomorrow is Mother's Day, if you guys didn't know. So I went running errands too for my mom and stuff like that. And I got her mom some stuff too. I got like 3 mamas. But anyways, yeah, so basically I thought like, man, how can I do a prank on Tasia, man? Because she's not gonna be suspecting this at all. So basically, I got the candles from Bath and Body Works. You can see the bag right here. But I went to pinks as well, and I got a thong. So I'm gonna show you guys this thong right now. I just got, you can see the receipt right here. You feel me? This is gonna be my evidence because I don't know how she gonna react. She might go up, she might go crazy, start hitting on me, and y'all gonna see this. So this is how the thong look. Right here, right there, boom, wow. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this. Of course, I'm gonna cut this little sticker off, but I'm gonna put this my glove department right here. So basically, I'm gonna put it like right here. Boom. See, I got my cologne right here. Well, you can't really see it. I got my cologne. Let me flick the camera. Hold on. Got my cologne. I got my lotion right here. See. So I'm basically just put it in here. I got a citation, man. They called me lagging. Anywho's, I got all kind of stuff in here, but I'm just gonna put the pennies in here, right? See, I'm gonna take this little sticker off. Basically, I'm just gonna throw it in here, pop, pop, and I'm gonna tell her get the lotion for me. So when she see that, man, I don't know how she gonna react, man. I feel like this video gonna be funny. I'm coming with lit video for you guys, and yeah, man, let's get right into it. Gang. You got that lotion?
Hmm?
No, I was actually can use some lotion.
I got some.
I'm talking about my stuff. Oh! What you doing with your pennies?
These are not mine.
Whose is it?
These are really hot.
Oh, you got your pennies in here. It is
These
hot.
are not mine.
Whose is it then? Yours.
I ain't never seen those. Whose are those?
Yours. I love yours. Don't you got something like this?
Stop putting that on me.
It's not mine.
Stop. I'm not playing.
I'm not playing either.
Eric, stop putting this on me. Those
It's
are
not yours?
mine. No.
Whose is it then?
I don't know. Whose is it?
I don't know. It ain't mine.
Don't put those on me.
It's not mine. So.
Whose are those?
Yours.
I know all the underwear I have. And you know all the underwear I have. Because you bought all the underwear I have. Have you bought these for me?
Not all of them.
Yes, you have. Because I threw out all my old underwear. So all the ones I have, you bought. You bought me like 30 pairs of underwear.
I ain't about you no 30. Now you exaggerating. I
Yes,
thought
you have.
like 10. You saying 30 like.
No, you haven't.
I ain't about you no damn 30.
Yes, you have. Whose are these?
That's yours.
Whose are these?
These are yours.
No, they're not. Stop.
Stop putting them panties on me, bro.
I'm allergic to whoever those is. Like,
Are you allergic to your own panties?
these are not mine. Whose are these?
It's not mine, bro. So I don't know if you're trying to play with me right now or what.
Look at these underwear. What are these? Stop.
Stop putting it in my face, then.
Okay.
Stop.
Stop. That's nasty.
yours.
Stop. No, it's not.
It is yours.
Whose are those?
Yours.
Bro.
Stop throwing the panties on me.
Stop.
Stop throwing your panties on me, bro.
Stop putting them on me. That's disgusting.
I don't know.
Whose
That's
are
disgusting if
those?
it's
Whose
yours.
are those?
It's yours, bro.
No, they're not mine.
Who else would it be then?
I don't know. Where do you go today?
Shit. I went shopping just like you.
Yeah, but I don't got no drawers in my glove compartment. Or my little thing. No.
Yeah, right.
So
Girls
why you
always
got
got
some?
shit in theirs. What are you talking about? Just in case. It's one of those days.
Okay, but those are mine. You
Okay,
don't
this is
wear
yours too.
those.
So you probably left
Why would
yours
I
in
have
here
some
just in case,
here?
you know, started on that day. You could wear it.
You don't even know how to talk.
I do know
That's
how
how I
to
know
talk.
you lying. Did you like what?
You heard what I said though, right?
Whose are these? Stop
Alright
playing
then.
with me.
You know it yourself.
There.
I told you.
Stop playing with me.
Stop doing it yourself, bro. It's your panties. I don't know why you trying
Those
to
are not mine.
start an argument like it's yours.
I'm not trying to start an argument. I'm trying to figure it out.
You already figured it out.
You
It's
let
yours.
me know.
Let you know what?
Just let me know. You know what to let me know. Whose are these?
You asked
Don't
me.
say it's mine. And don't say you don't know. Don't
I
say
said
those
it's yours. It's yours. I don't know what else
Those
to tell you.
aren't mine.
I don't know what else to tell you. I really don't. I ain't got a lot of
Whose are these?
It's yours.
These are not mine.
Why you keep putting that on me, bro?
Because obviously you like
It's
it.
yours.
You
like
be
it.
wearing these, so you be going stop.
Alright then, don't put it in my face.
Stop. Don't put those in my face.
Alright
That's
then.
disgusting. Eric. Stop.
You keep playing, so we're gonna take it there.
You're weird.
You keep swinging your panties around like,
Stop
put
putting
it in your
those on
purse.
me.
Put them in your purse.
Bro, stop putting those on me. Stop putting those on me. Whose are they?
These are yours.
They're not mine. I've never had any
Alright.
underwear like that.
Alright.
Like, at all.
Like this? You don't got no panties like this?
No.
Cap.
No damn pineapple on the front. No, I don't.
Alright.
If I did, they would be mine. They not mine. I don't have
You
nothing
say you
like
ain't got
that.
nothing like these?
I don't have nothing like that. Because I don't have nothing
So you don't have no
like that.
thumbs?
I do. I don't have nothing like that. Like that particular kind.
Okay. Capping. But it's cool.
Take me home. And drop me off. Stop putting those on me, bro. Cause you know I'm finna spaz. Like,
Yeah, that smells bad.
I know how to do it though. Try me. You should already know me.
You know yourself and get your panties. black man. Panties, like, it's crazy.
Let me out. Let me out.
Let me jump out that window, getting out my car.
Let me out.
Let you out the car for what?
Let me out.
Like, you tripping off for nothing, like.
Like, let me out.
Tripping, bro. For real. So you gonna confess and say it's yours? And we can do this right now?
Eric,
Tasia.
you know how I am, right?
What do you mean?
Like, you already know.
I already know what?
You already know.
I already know what? I didn't even do nothing. This is your panties.
Stop putting those on me. Stop.
Are yours?
No, they not.
Where you going?
Move. Stop.
You're not
Move.
going to close the door.
Move.
Where you going? It's just a prank, man.
No, because you
It
got me
is a prank.
messed up. Like,
Yes, it is.
no.
It's a prank.
Stop. Freaking weirdo.
How about weirdo?
Stop. Because that's not no prank.
Yes, it is a prank.
No, it's not a prank.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. I'm going to show you right now. See, right here. Really pink though, but Victoria's Secret. What that they say? 12:15 today. 5/8. Today 5/8, right?
You already know me. You was about to lose your life. And I was about to be done. Like, done. I don't play that at all.
You don't play that?
I don't play that.
You got something else to say?
No, I don't got nothing else to say. Stop talking to me. I'm still irritated.
That's the end of the video, guys, man. I won. You know, it's Team Eric, man. She mad, you feel me? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Join the ET fam, man. Put Team Eric in the comments. What y'all want me to do next, man? Because I'm going crazy right now, man. I'm unstoppable. See y'all in the next video, though.